it's me, Molly, and today I'm going to be showing about slime and squishies. Let's get to the video. But before we actually get to the video, subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up if you like it, turn on the post notifications so you don't miss any of my videos. Now let's get started. So as you can see in my last video, I had this pink slime. Well, I had orange slime, but then I dyed it pink with my glitter, as you saw, and it's actually still glitter, even more pink here. And so you guys wanted me to do it blue. I bet you guys love blue, so I'm gonna do it blue. If you don't, tell me other colour. Okay, should I put hi? There we go. As you see, I'm gonna show you. Yeah, so yeah, I put hi, and I'm gonna mix it in. Tell me what colour you think it turned. I thought it would have turned purple, but it's actually still pink. And I know you guys want to see some squishies, so I've got 3 squishies at home. I've got like 3 squishies here. So I got this hamster one that smells like popcorn. And guess what? Comment down below if you have these squishies. So I've got a hamster one that smells like popcorn. I got the cake one that smells like strawberries because it's got strawberries on here. And I've got this lovely orange kind of, no, I mean purple and blue dyed one. So nice. And so yeah. And I think in my last video, did I have green? Sometime I had green on one of the videos, I think, anyways. So, what colour do you want me to write with? Did you say black? Silver? Well, as you can see, I've got 2 silver pens. Look, grey and silver. And I'm going to write Merry Christmas. Oh, this looks good. Not very good. Now you see how this... Perfect. Mine is not that neat because it's hard on slime. But yeah, just mix it in. And I'm gonna colour on the slime blue. So you just have to like hold it like this and just like colour. Yeah, so yeah. Please subscribe to my channel, I really want you guys to. I'm nearly done now, guys. I've coloured about that much. If you didn't know, you could get these top tips because they're washable, I think. There we go. Let's see what colour it turns. You ready? Do it in front of you. You ready? Okay, now can I look at it because it distracts me. So this has only been on for 4 minutes, so I don't want to end it here. So I'm going to see if I can find my LOLs. Gonna see if there's any more. Wait a minute. There we go. So for my first LOL, some of them are in bags. I've got this turquoise baby. Comment down below if you have the babies, the squishy, these LOL babies, or the squishies, or the slime, or the blue kind again. So I have this lovely one. That's the only little one, I think. And then I have This is one of my favourites. This one that goes in roller skates and look, she works. Look. Hello, my name is Quincy. Her name's actually cute. She just likes my name, Quincy. Yeah, so that's my second one. Then my third one. Oh, by the way, they all have baby bottles. This one has this one. Hello, my name is Pooh. Then for the last one, this one. This one has this bowl. Hello everyone. And obviously you've got the bottle. This goes to this one because she loves this bottle. Hello. So that's. I'm not ending the video here because I'm going to do a bit more colours. But I'm going to put my LOLs away and I'll see you guys in a 40 minute. Sorry if that distracted you guys. I was just putting myself away like I just told you. So, yeah. This is about slime and squishy, so if you didn't know them, you don't have to watch the video. I have sweating slime. Ugh. Don't actually, I was just like, wait. Guys, I've got something funny to show you. Well, it's funny to me a bit. Hey guys, I've got a pink moustache. Hey guys. I'm a chef. Yeah, just slime and squishy. You can do lots of things with squishies. You could like get them and then you could like twist them to portions like that. That. You can do anything. Look, you can even colour like I did on this one. I just get like a colour and we do like random stuff. I love all my squishies. I'm like dot 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 dot. I actually coloured with this before. And that is squishies. So yeah, I'm gonna end the video here. Subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, turn on the post notifications like I already said. Bye. Mwah. Love you.